So just a reminder before I start the video, these videos are recorded maybe on the same day, probably for the next 2 days, like on this day and on Saturday. There'll be multiple videos that I am wearing the same clothes because it's on the same day. So if you see that, it means I'm recording on the same day. So these videos are just scheduled on the day that it must be in. So just to remind you guys, so let's move on to the video. Hey guys, today is day 6 of the 12 days of Pokemon card opening. Yes, we're halfway over. So I hope you didn't miss the recent content that you've seen. So don't mind how I talk because you know I am not really I don't talk really properly. So let's see what we get in this Christmas stocking full of Pokemon DIY booster packs. Okay, so it's a semi-box. Okay, so we're gonna open this. So I don't know if you're gonna take long. Sorry if you can hear background noise because like it's really late at night when I'm recording this also. And also the recent videos that you've seen, it's also recorded late at night in the same day and on the same night. So I'm trying to open this using my scissors now. I'm careful enough, so there you go. So open this. Remove the code. Do the card check. We have here the Water Energy, Voltorb, Noctowl, Stuntler, Ponyta, Shinx, Frogadier, Purloin, Malamar, Purloin and Malamar. Regular. I thought there were more. I'm trying to be quick. So that's all for day 6 of the 12 days of Pokemon card opening, which now we're halfway over. That's really, I know I'm not quite sad because it's not that over and it's halfway near Christmas. That's quite exciting. So I hope you subscribe because some of you are not subscribed yet. And I hope you like this video. Hit that notification bell to not miss any of my content. So see you guys and Fab out.